Hello guys, welcome to FX1. My name is Abhishek, founder of FX1. Gonna be talk about graphic designing. Let us experience it in theory and practically. So let's begin. According to Google, graphic designing is a craft where professionals create visual content to communicate messages. By applying visual hierarchy and page layout techniques, designers use typography and pictures to meet users' specific needs and focus on a logic of displaying elements in interactive design to optimize the user experience. Yeah, I know some of you might not understand. Let me explain it in a simple way. Let's divide it graphic and design, where graphic is known as visual ideas or your imagination, and you guys are very well familiar with the word design. Principles that make up design. Elements are used in conjunction or opposition with each other to create visual striking and impactful designs. These designs elements include color, form, line, shape, size, space, and texture. Okay, let us see how business and companies applies graphic designs. Graphic design optimizes your marketing efforts across all channels and is a key to build a professional brand. Being consistent in your marketing collateral allows your brand to be easily recognized and allows your customer and clients quickly get familiar with what your company has to offer. So, what includes in a graphic designing field? Illustrations, designing, web designing, logo designing, poster designing. I think I have talked more in theory. Let's see it in a practical ways and understand graphic designing. Let us explore illustration and the software I use to make illustrations. Illustrations is nothing but something that serves to be illustrate, such as a picture or a diagram that helps make something clear or attractive. An example or instance that helps make something clear. You might have seen these types of stuff on internet these days. These stuffs have become an iconic trend over all platforms. You can call them as an example of illustrations. Now, talking about software I recommend or I use is Adobe Illustrator. Yes, this is the software which we can create awesome illustrations and many other design or stuffs. Now heading further, next is web designing. Website is a place connected to internet where a company, organization, etc. puts information that can be found on World Wide Web. I think website have to be dynamic and creative because when users visit your website should feel awful, not just like a simple page containing some kind of content and picture without any coloring or I can say wrong alignments of content or perfect placement. These all detailing includes in designing. Now talking about designing, when a developer start creating has a sample of design of website which is created by an graphic designing. Okay, let's discuss about the software I recommend or I use is Adobe XD. With the easy interface and very convenient to use, now in Adobe we can create web designs in two ways. First is simple interface and prototype interface. Let us see the difference between them. Simple interface is the design where we can only see the design, we can't experience the design website interface. Prototype is very useful and very interesting tool. Here we can see the prototype design seems to be very complicated, but prototype design helps us to experience the website design live. Now let's take an example of our website which has designed with dynamic stuffs. Moving ahead, let's talk about logo designing. What is an logo? For any business or company, logo is very important as it identifies or I can say it's their identity. Let's talk about logo designing. While creating logo, it has to represent the real meaning of business and company or the move motive of company. The process of mine while creating logo is that first I understand the name of company and the services they're gonna provide. After experiencing all the stuffs about the company, we'll not just randomly start making any designs. You can try on a piece of paper relating all the stuffs and creating different logos and ideas. After this, let's see the software I recommend or I use. There are plenty of software, but I use CorelDRAW and AI, that's Adobe Illustrator. I especially use CorelDRAW for any type of designing or logo designing. As you can see, our business logo was created in CorelDRAW with an pencil which represents graphic designing. Next is poster designing. Poster designing is nothing but designing any stuff like poster, brochure, and stuff which is distributed among the events or local areas. Example. This was all about graphic designing. Thank you guys for staying tuned with me till here. Stay connected for more videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.